morning to my beautiful peoples. How are y'all doing? Anyway, this is how I start the vlog. Now I don't know what's going on in the vlog. I am going to country to my friend's funeral. It's tomorrow, so I go down from today. So this is just the intro. Say hi to the people, them know. Hi people. Hi vlogger.
Yeah people. Me now I can't get focused because me at work. You see me? So I send my nice, beautiful queen here.
You should have been there.
Yeah, she have been there, but don't know. I have to look the dollars same way. You see it? Yeah, so people, if you want to see me on the video, want to big up on yourself, remember to like, share and comment. You see me? And a part of important, share and watch all of the video them to the end, people. You see me? If you ever watch a video, just watch it out to the end and done. You see me? Thank you all. Boom!
Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to country, but I'm going to go up on the road first. I'm going to go up on the road, go pick up the shirt, then we're going to go to a funeral, and I'm going to go town, and then, yeah, that's it. So I will get back to y'all when we're probably on the way, I go country, or when I leave the house. So later, guys. Guys, we just follow Billy come after tree. People, we just follow Billy come after tree. Come pick up the shirt them for wear tomorrow. And I'm telling you the previous clip. Billy come get himself a shoes. I don't know where my eye from the camera. But anyway, I go home now. But I go home with call my sister here. And then now I will pack my bag. Billy still a contemplate whether or not he's coming to country with us. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Coming out with my sister right here. Yeah, later. Guys, and today is the funeral. As you can see, me just wake up. I never get a vlog on my way down, but I'm gonna try my best. To get some more clips today. So as you can see, we just wake up. There's Billy. So I just want to check in with you all and make you know what's going on. As I said, today is a funeral. So yesterday no, it was bittersweet, sad, and something. But I go try check in with before the actual funeral. Alright, so I really have much to say. So I'm going to show you in that next clip. Now we feel like this is home. This is where I love. Oh my god, I miss home. So this is my backyard. Morning. I can't tell when last time see you. So people, that is one of my brother right there. So meet him. Oh me look. I have 2 meters on my ear. Oh different. So that's why. So that's one of my brother people. That is one of my brother. That's the next one right there.
Yeah.
So. Yeah. I record it and I can't see those. That's one of my brother right there. So.
I see sunlight, man.
Yeah. Little bit later, fan go video. What you mean by me? Put on a little bit weight. See me close and see. Put on a little weight. Oh. Them never were dead last night? Oh, they reach up late.
I said them here.
Oh. Boy.
Because them come from the grill, you know, have to come a serve for kill and you know.
I don't really have much fish on, so in the next clip I will be at the funeral. So later. For the funeral, there's everybody. That's one car, the next car, and I'm gonna try to see if we can vlog the rest of the day. As you can see, me did a car already. Yeah. So we're heading out now. The gang of 5 out. Let's go right there. Nephew, niece, niece, and brother-in-law driving, sister at the front. Billy said something to the vlog.
Okay.
Eh? What is it? JJ, say hi to the vlog. You not say nothing? You not say anything? She walk and sell.
Yeah, so we used to walk from a dance, you know. You see right which way you see blue house? Park and park. Make we come on.
This is a lifetime, so no one watch it back, please to go back to my YouTube channel and watch back the video. Anytime you don't miss him, you can find it on Bell's Fan TV. So guys, we just bring mama me something to put on my face. So guys, we just reached. No need more showing. How would I?
Oh, I do it to her. Lord Jesus, we want that way. No, me left it. You never tell me to bring it. Hey, fam. Oh, this is my nephew, guys. Meet my nephew. I'm new to channel nephew. Oh, go on. Do you have his money now? Years, on top of years, brother. Years, on top of years.
When I run close to me, I come here and do
because we have to work. I beg me to beg a little 1 week to come a funeral, come to the Bobo Funeral. The Africa. Yeah. You know, some mama come to buy, I want to put in night cast. Oh God, I cry every day, I don't want to cry again.
You tell them ungodly. Not this level, but as we say, I don't know, a cycle, we have to just move on. That's why I come to with us living in love. And you only tell one. Because when you pass and gone, trust me. But when you're there, you can never cheat in the best way. I tell you, when you're there, you can cheat people the best way. Look out for the neighbor. God, me assure you, say, I know Bobo alone, God, right now.
Occupied. That is what the family of Cavian is experiencing at this time. Some of you knew Cavian better than others. You are here today because he has impacted your lives in one way or another. So, to honor his memory, you are here to say your final goodbye, something that is surely not easy to do. Cavian Ricardo Carter was born on May 28, 1986 to parents Orville and Winifred Carter in the quaint community of Williamsville in the parish of St. Elizabeth. Cavian was born in love and surrounded with a lot of love. He had 3 sisters and 2 brothers, all of whom were instrumental in the
Alright, yeah, make it on there, so hold it. Alright, yeah. Baba!
To release our dear brother, Cavian Carter, from the cares of this life, from the stress of this life. We do tenderly commit his remains to the ground. We say earth to earth, everybody, ashes to ashes, dust to dust. May God in his kingdom, when he comes, remember this part of God.
Push him on. Push him on around. They're gonna sound weird. Push him on. They're gonna sound weird. Push him on. They're gonna sound weird.
Yeah. Peggy now, Peggy so good enough. I get a shorter one. There's a love on the river.
If you miss me, don't come to me. And if you don't fall,
More stuff, my brother. More stuff. If you don't play on this, you don't want this, man. More stuff. More stuff.
This is after the funeral and everything. No, this is after the burial. When I go sitting on the previous clip, so I just come back to close out. I just say I go and reason. I miss niece, nephew, brother. I don't know she already. She always never vlog them. And him. One is Monday as well. So guys, I want to get right? And the people might tell me, so they want to watch the video and them now comment here. This lady right here, she helped grow me right here. She right there. See him? We grew up together as brother and sister. Yeah, the whole family. One family, one movement. Yeah. So you know, just comment. And I need the video to know so now watch them. Say motivate me to put out more videos.
you do better do that.
I didn't mean like car, you know?
In my car? Oh God, Mr. Jesus, look at the boy. I tell me, Mr. Cavian, go ready to be a stepmother. I say, what a back there, that young guy, a big stepmother. I say, Lord God, Mummy say, Queenie, a joke, a prank.
A prank, yeah, a prank.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are.
Guys, so those comment down below, leaving no condolences, and I want to say thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for watching, and thank you for sharing, and I will catch you all in our next video. Bye guys.